Studio session. Let's see. What we doing? What we doing? What we doing? I already got this beat imported. Yeah, just join that. Yeah, I'll let y'all hear this real quick. Turn off my speaker real quick. Oh shoot, let me dropping stuff. Let me dropping stuff. Shoot, alright, look. Hit a beat. Just gonna freestyle it. Maybe like bar for bar or something. Alright, it goes hard. It goes hard. We already know that. Alright, bet. Alright, let's get this done. We can do this. Like 10 minutes max, maybe. Just depends on if I get fried enough. Hey, hey. We're just gonna go at the top on this joint. It sounds cool with it. Hold up. Alright, let's start out with an opening bar. Because the opening bar is what I built off of. So I could be like, I'm just gonna let it out. Let me see. I feel like something's wrong. Be like, what are we naming the song? Birds. I like birds. Hey. Flying like a bird. Flying like a bird. Flying like a bird, yeah. Feel like I'm about to soar. Call her up on your phone, it's your whore. Okay, add some ad lib to that. Hold on, let's do this. Flying like a bird, flying like a bird, yeah. Feel like I'm about to soar. Call her up on your phone, it's your whore. Alright, now we can do, yeah. Or, soar, bore, tour. Alright. Feel like I'm a legend lately. She been asking for a tour. Let's go, baby, home. Come on, baby, let me take you around the world. First, I gotta blow up. Lately, feel like my mind been blown up. First I gotta blow up. Feels like my mind really been blown up. So much pain, feel like I'm a grown up. Too many drugs, feeling like a grown up. Too much pain. Too much pain got me feeling like a grown up. You got some lean, alright, cool, let's pour it up. Like bar for bar, bro, I just be like, you got some lean? Oh, come on, pour it up. You got some lean? Oh, come on, pour it up. Hold on, I'm gonna do a whole beat switch. You got some lean? Come on, pour it up. Mr. Codeine with the perkies in a double cup. Mix the codeine in the perkies all up in a double cup. Mix the codeine in the perkies all up in a double cup. Double cup, sit up in this chair, studio session, pour it up. Or sip it up. Yeah. Sit up in my studio session, sit back and sip it up. Sip it up. Kill me, but I can't kill the bird with one stone. I lead the lost ones, they trying to kill the herd. Takes more than 2 stones to kill these birds. Saying I'm saying nothing but listen to my words. I could do that. Saying that I'm saying nothing, well, listen to these words. I'm soaring like a bird. I'm soaring like a bird. I'm soaring like a bird. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all hear this real quick. Hey, let me know if y'all vibe with this in the comments if they're open. Alright, hold up. Flying like a bird, flying like a bird, yeah. Feel like I'm about to soar. Call her up on your phone, it's your whore. Feel like I'm a legend lately, she been asking for a tour. Come on, baby, let me take you around the world. First I gotta blow up, feels like my mind really been blown up. Too much pain got me feeling like a grown up. Oh, you got some lean, come on, pour it up. Mix the codeine and the perkies all up in a double cup. Sit up in my studio session, sit back and sip it up. I leave the lost ones, they tryna kill the herd. Takes more than 2 stones to kill these birds. Saying now I'm saying nothing, well, listen to these words. I'm soaring like a bird, I'm soaring like a bird. That's hard. Alright, let me keep going. Soaring like a bird. Lost child, come on, follow me. I get the bird on the run. Oh, come on, lost child, show me what you got. Words like, show me, words like, come on, lost child, show me what you got. Words like, come on, lost child, show me what you got. Words like, show me what. Words like, lost child, come on, show me what you got. What you got? I gave up on the battle, now I need to smoke some pot. I gave up on the battle, now I'm smoking on some pot, goodness. I gave up on the battle, now I'm smoking on some pot. On some pot. I'm walking with God, I ain't no. I'm walking with God, I ain't walking with a witch, I ain't seen no pot. I'm walking with God, I ain't walking with a witch, I ain't seen no pot. You saying that I sold my soul, just stop. They saying that I sold my soul, just stop. Where I think go? That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. I like it. Alright. Let me put this as birds. Put that on there. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all hear this. I'll get to hear an unreleased song. Probably gonna release that. Hold on, let me put my speaker on it. Let me get my speaker. Yo, this sound hard with a speaker though. Look. Hold up. Got my $20 Amazon speaker, baby. Alright, hold up. Play this up and get off of here. Hey. Come on, man. Oh, I just turned it off, my stupid self. My stupid self, bro. What the heck? Connect, come on. Man, come on. Alright, there we go. Ugh, ain't that a sound we don't like? Flying like a bird, flying like a bird, yeah. Feel like I'm about to soar. Call her up on your phone, it's your whore. Feel like I'm a legend lately, she been asking for a tour. Come on, baby, let me take you around the world. First I gotta blow up, feels like my mind really been blown up. Too much pain got me feeling like a grown up. You got some lean, come on, pour it up. Mix the codeine and the perkies all up in a double cup. Set up in my studio session, sit back and sip it up. I leave the lost ones, they tryna kill the herd. Takes more than 2 stones to kill these birds. Saying that I'm saying nothing, well, listen to these words. I'm soaring like a bird, I'm soaring like a bird. Words like lost child, come on, show me what you got. I gave up on the battle, now I'm smoking on some pot. I'm walking with God, I ain't walking with a witch, I ain't seen no pot. They saying that I sold my soul, just stop. Made this banger in 10 minutes, boy. Come on, don't play with me.